Welcome to the construction site where engineering meets nature. Today we witness the birth of a bridge, a monument to human ingenuity spanning this powerful river. The journey begins beneath the surface. Deep foundation work is underway, anchoring the massive structure into the bedrock of the riverbed to ensure lasting stability. Slowly, the concrete pillars emerge, standing tall against the current. These foundations are the backbone of the project, designed to withstand the forces of nature. On the banks, a symphony of heavy machinery works in perfect coordination. Excavators and mixers move materials with precision, creating a dusty, industrious atmosphere. Precision is everything in structural assembly. Massive steel beams are hoisted into the sky, slowly descending to connect the pillars into a single path. Engineers oversee every weld and every bolt. It is a dance of steel and expertise where every millimeter counts toward the safety of thousands. The bridge deck begins to stretch across the void. This intricate framework of rebar and steel showcases the sheer scale of this engineering feat. The structure is complete, a new link between shores, a testament to progress, standing strong over the flowing water for generations to come.